All right, guys, 2015 Ford Escape. We're gonna do the mass airflow sensor. Just gonna pull it out, show you how to either pull it out or clean it. So right here is your mass airflow sensor. It's like a little cartridge in there. And these are two T20 screws. So I'll put a link in the video description for a set for that if you guys need it. Otherwise, it's a T20. It's pretty common. I actually found one in the street the other day. And then, so to get this off, we're gonna need to pull this, like a little push in, and then pull out. And then there you go. That's how that comes off. Now we're just gonna unscrew these and I'll show you guys how to clean that. All right, like I said, Torx 20 bit. Just gonna unscrew these bad boys. And we're gonna set these little screws to the side. Don't wanna lose those. Put them right up here. All right. Now, the cartridge just slides out. So we're gonna give this a clean real quick. And this one actually looks pretty good. But all it takes is a little bit of dust on there and it starts messing stuff up. So live in Vegas, it's super dusty here. So I'm just gonna give it a little clean. And this is that mass airflow sensor cleaner. I used to use it on my map in one of the other videos, but works really well. Took care of my issue on that car. Hoping it'll help a little bit on this one. But yeah, just like that. And it's clean. This stuff dries quick. I'm gonna hit it again since I got it out. And just wait for it to dry. You can see it drying super fast. Look at that. All right, I'll just let it sit out for a few minutes in the sun here. It's super hot. Actually, my phone, I use an iPhone to film these, and my phone was overheating. I had to cool it down. And we'll go ahead and clean out the connector while we got it here too. Make sure it's getting nice connections all around. And let's go ahead and set that to the side. All right, now we're just gonna put it back in. Normally I would have disconnected the battery, but it's such a pain in the butt to get to the battery on this thing. Even just to change out the battery, you gotta take all this out, and I'm not doing that. So, go back to our tightening, and make sure you get a nice seating in there. Don't crank on it right away. There's that one. And this one. We'll just kind of snug them down. And then just one little like quarter turn, not even, probably like an eighth. Just make sure it's on there tight. Electrical connector, just take it, push on, you'll feel it click, and at the same time you can push this forward and it's locked on. That's it, guys, you're done. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate it. Have a great day.